Yeah! Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, the grass dancers. Casey Mack was talking about the challenge between the dancers and the singers tonight, and I don't know. We'll have the judges in the center. That's 1-1. Red Bear said we're going to put the envelopes on the ground, and then we're going to have the brokest dancer come choose first. Eagle Staff Carriers, Flag Bearers, Fancy Dancers, come on over here, we're going to retire. All drum groups are excused. Colby White said drum groups are excused except our host drum. 12:45, drum roll call. 12:45 sharp. Alright, who's choosing? But you got the champion. Oh, Red Bear's got the champion envelope. Hold on. Who's got first place envelope? Red Bear, choose. You got it. You're going on over there. There's your champion, ladies and gentlemen. Jonathan, the Honorable Jonathan Senator Windy Boy. Mailbox day. Second place envelope. Second place. You may choose now. Second place. Is that Gary? Gary chooses Gary. Hey, all right. There's nothing Gary about that. Gary Villa, second place. Third place. Come on over here to Chad Brown Eagle, third place. And now, John, you got fourth place. Fourth place goes to Randy Magic Shoes Pascuman. That was a wicked choice right there. No wonder they took a long time. Give these boys a round of applause. All these other dancers here.